Hello there. So I thought I'll drop an update as to what's going on with the C course. So the rest of the lectures for the C course, the 14 or well 12 to 14 of them are already released on YouTube. The next set of lectures covering the entire, language and mixing assembly and C, how to use it, design using the language, all of those will be uploaded on the learning platform. The link for the learning platform is down in the description. The source code, some uh, questions, practice problems, downloadable resources, reference code, all of that, is on the learning platform. So the three lectures that I have recorded today relate to the C keywords and kind of diving into the meaning of each of them, right? And we kind of discussed how to imagine and bucket them in various categories. There are only 32 of them, and if you know those and how to use them in different combinations, different ways, well, that's essentially, the point of C language. So I'll just walk you through what we covered. We covered the keywords, 32 of them, and then we talked about how to bucket them in three different categories. A few relate to storage, few relate to branching, and few relate to looping at a very, very high level, right? And then we went ahead and talked about the idea of data types and the different types of data types, and in this case, float and integers, and floating point and integers. And then we discussed as to how to club different keywords. In this case, roughly I think 6 of the keywords. What it means to be an int, a char, a floating point. We talked about all of that, and we took a look at the encoding, and roughly I hinted that the learners go and take a look at the IEEE 754 standard. And then what we are going to do beyond this now, as part of the next lectures, is dive into writing some C code, like very minimal C code using these keywords, and analyze at a assembly or a system level as to what is going on with the keywords. If I use a char A, what happens behind the scene in assembly and at a system level. So, if you'd want to join in the journey, I encourage you to, sign up on the platform and take this course, and it's going to be fun. What I'll continue doing is release nuggets of, C concepts that you can still learn from and get a complete understanding of the language, but in a very kind of those nuggets would be scattered. They'll come, here and there once in a while. But if you want like a structured approach, a structured way to learn this language, well, that's on the platform. There are coding challenges, there are downloadable resources, articles, external references, all of that good stuff. And after completing this course, you'll also get a certificate if, so that you can show it off. All right, so with this, I'll kind of keep you posted on the next set of activities that I do. Bye-bye and take care.